I'm here to tell you that money won't make you valuable, won't make you love yourself. Having the sports car, the Porsches, the Mercedes-Benz, the watch, yung porma, yung success. No. Akala mo pag naging successful ka, magsisimula ka ng mahalin yung sarili mo. Hindi ganun. Magsisimula ang pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo when you struggle. Pag dapang-dapa ka na, kapag sagad na sagad ka na, kapag hindi mo na kaya. Diyan susubukin yung identity mo, yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. Na willing ka bang mahalin yung sarili mo ngayong walang-wala ka. Natural, pag nasa tuktok ka, you will feel good. But the thing is, most people nga na nasa tuktok, they don't feel good. That's why they flex a lot. Kaya nga sobrang yabang nila eh. Kaya nga yung ibang nasa tuktok naninira pa ng kapwa eh. Because at some point, they are not okay. Because maybe, just like you, they don't love themselves. And minsan, napipiga tayo na mahalin yung sarili natin kapag dapang-dapa na tayo. Guys, it happened to me. And to a lot of people na minentor ko. Regardless of the social status. Most of them, especially me, kahit anong dami ng pera ko, kahit gaano kasikat, if hindi mo mamahalin yung sarili mo, at hindi mo bibigyan ng importansya yung sarili mo, mauubos at mauubos ka.